Have you picked up your phone lately, possibly to update your status on Facebook? Did you upload a new video or picture using that new Snapchat filter? I know I've scrolled to catch a new video of Truth Bomb Mom. Social media is a great way to connect with your friends and family, voice your opinion, or retell that hilarious moment you had with your kids. Businesses have been using social media to connect with their customers and share new products. My name is Stephanie Whitley, and today I'll be presenting businesses using social media. More specifically, the issue that can occur and what businesses can do to prevent damaging their brand. There are numerous issues that can occur when businesses use social media, and I'm going to be talking about 4 of the prominent issues. Number 1, loss in productivity. It can become a sizable issue, especially if social media is allowed as a communication tool for employees. It can become tempting to use it for something other than business. Number 2, leaking private company information. This can become a huge security issue when private customer information is leaked, giving out of passwords. Number 3, inappropriate employee online activity. Employees posting graphic pictures in poor language or bad-mouthing the company specifically can look bad on the company when each individual and employee is associated with the company. Now that you can link your place of employment to your personal account, each post and picture can be directly related to the company. Number 4, 24/7 availability. If associates and managers are able to communicate at all hours, this could cause employees to be working longer hours off the clock. Social media can be used as a great advantage when used properly. I am going to list 3 helpful tactics to improve business and social media presence. So how can businesses improve? I'm glad you asked. Number 1, proofread and edit thoroughly. Everyone makes mistakes, but taking a second, third, or even 4th look can prevent spelling and grammar errors. Ask yourself, could this offend someone? Do I need to change that? Have 1 or more other employees approve the post, proofread it. Number 2, clear online policies. Making sure online policies for all employees and with set repercussions. Make sure all employees understand the do's and don'ts of online activity. Let employees understand the weight of being associated and representing the company brand. Number 3, posting intentionally. Being intentional with your words can help prevent damage to the company brand. Only posting when it is necessary can ensure from posting carelessly. You can also take time to be compassionate and considerate to other customers, using thoughtful words. So in conclusion, we learned what issues can occur when companies use social media. But if you proofread, set clear employee expectations while online, and post intentionally and mindfully, it can make social media a strength. Social media can become an issue, but can be a great instrument to propel a company into the future and become relevant to its ever-changing customers. Thank you.